Rice is one of those basic things we all need to know how to cook, but there are a few points that I want to show you to make your rice better. I'm going to show you how to cook basmati rice, the absorption method. I've washed my rice. This is really critical for a beautiful, fluffy result. This then goes into a pot, so a medium-style pot, and I'm covering it with water, but I'm not going to measure it. This is the trick that always seems to work. Once you've covered it, you want the water to come up to the first joint of your finger. So you just pop your finger in and just pop that onto the rice, and you can see my joint is there. So we want to add a little bit more water until it reaches that point. It works every single time. So now we need to turn the heat on. We want to bring this up to the boil. I'll turn it down to low, and then the lid goes on. This then cooks until all the water is completely absorbed by the rice. And to make it extra fluffy, I always recommend just letting it sit off the heat for a good 15 minutes. It'll be perfect every single time. This rice has been resting, and just have a look at that. Perfect, fluffy basmati rice. All the grains have separated, and that is ready to go with any dish.